In today's video, we'll use this car image to create this amazing ad poster using AI and Canva. No design skills are needed, so let's begin. First, open ChatGPT. Click on Create an Image. Choose Square Size. Add your image. Now add the prompt given in the description. Click on the arrow. Now, ChatGPT will create our image using its AI image generation model. Here's the amazing image. Now, click on the download icon to get this image. After this, open Canva. Click on Custom Size. Take a 1080 by 1350 pixels canvas. Click on Create New Design. Go to Uploads. Upload the downloaded image. Add it to the canvas. Adjust its size and position like us. Click on Edit. Then open Tools. Choose Magic Expand. Choose Whole Page. Click on Expand to expand the image to the canvas. Now, you can choose any one of them. After this, go to Elements, then Shapes. Open Basic Shapes. Take a square. Click on Stroke. Set it to 18 pixels. Then make the shape color transparent. Change the stroke color to white. Now, adjust this shape like us. Next, duplicate the image. Click on Edit. Open Tools. Choose Magic Grab. Select the car. Click on Grab to grab the object. Now, delete the remaining part and adjust its position. Next, go to Text. Add a heading. Type your first text. Go to Font and search Anton. Choose this font. Change the font size to 70. Change the color to white. After this, go to Effects. Choose Drop Shadow. Set the offset to 30. Duplicate the text. Type your text. Change the font size to 200. Adjust both text positions. Go to Text and add a subheading. Type your text. Go to Font. Search Futura. Choose Futura Regular Font. Change the font size to 50. Make it uppercase. Go to Position, then Layers. Place it behind the car. After this, go to Text. Add a heading. Type the brand name. Choose Futura Bold Font. Change the font size to 35 pixels. Make it uppercase. Set the letter spacing to 100. Set transparency to 50. Duplicate and add the text. Choose Futura Medium Font. Change the font size to 15. Adjust the letter spacing. Adjust both text positions. After this, go to Elements. Search Black Shadow. Go to the Graphics section. Add this shadow. Place it at the bottom front of the car like us. Our design is ready. Let's zoom in. Thank you for joining me in this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments, and I'll see you in the next video.